if this is an open and shut case, why is there a build-up until now?
Dahil
Nagmamakawa ako sa Diyos na i-file na. Dispense with the investigation, file the case in court.
darating po tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman.
Hindi ka-
Pero ito po, no, buti nga yung anak niya na drug lord at saka yung ano niya, son-in-law
That
ay
would be,
ano,
I take exception to that statement, Mr. Chair.
Please,
It is not fair and
it's my opinion.
mischievous.
It's my
statement.
opinion. Ikaw nga, pinapapatay mo yung mga suspected.
session suspended.
Wala ka na. Ano? Oh.
Sani.
Pinapagalit eh.
Huwag, Sani. Huwag kang mag-arte rito ng ganyan.